Alright, this is part 3 of the install. So I ran my power wire through the firewall. I don't know if you can see it, but in here I ran the wire right behind this paneling through this brake, under the hood release, through this panel under here. I just pulled this out and it snaps out easy. Alright, so when I ran it all the way through, down the car. Alright, I got a car coming, y'all. Alright, so I ran it through here. When it ran through, I ran it all the way through here, and I tucked the wire under the seat through here, and then the cable ends up right here. I don't know how I want to mount it yet, but that's the next move. I'm about to put the amp like right here on the back seat. That's where I had it last time, but I got this much wire for the positive wire. I'm probably gonna cut it in half, or maybe just leave it that length and then plug it up that way so I have room in case I want to move the amp. And then as far as the ground wire, I'm getting ready to take this paneling down. I'm gonna pause the video, but I'm gonna take this paneling down. Behind here is your like satellite radio, OnStar, stuff like that or whatever. It's already grounded, and it's a nice ground that you can use for your main ground without splicing into, like drilling into your car or doing any crazy stuff like that. So once I pull this down, it's gonna be a little painted. I'm gonna show you it, and then I'm gonna try to do the best I can and just get it clean and everything. But for the most part, I don't have no sandpaper, so we can kind of MacGyver it, as we would say. Anyways, I'm pausing. All right, we back after that. So look, I pulled the paneling down. I'm gonna tack it back in there nicely because I like mine clean. Anyway, I'm getting the phone in there. See this right here? I'm gonna take this screw out. I'm gonna put the ground wire below this, so this could be on top, because I want that to be flush on the car, I believe. I think that'd be the better option. But anyways, I'm gonna let it be flush on the car, and I'm gonna run the ground wire up here, and I'm gonna cut a hole where it goes through here, and it's gonna come out the other side, so it can perfectly run through this wall straight to the amp. So that way when I flip the seats down, it'll have enough room. So if I needed to, maybe move the subs to the side, even though I got big 12s, I can move it to the side, maybe put long 2x4s through or anything like that. But the goal is to keep the room space. And I showed you in the previous videos about these clamps. Like I said, they clamped up. They're in there nicely. So that way, when I just add the line out converter, I'll just connect all those and we in there. All right, until the next video.